Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download VS Code. So just type here VS Code from your browser and then go for the first link here you can see, and you have the option here also. Just click here download and then click here Windows, just click here Windows, and here you can see it will start downloading. And if it is not, just click here direct download link. Okay, so download is started. Here you can see we have to wait for some time. So guys, here you can see we have downloaded it. Now let's go for the installation. Just double click on it and select I accept and then click here next, and then next, and just check it, create desktop icon. Okay, and then click here next and then select install, and here you can see it's installing. So here you can see now we have successfully installed it. Now click here finish and it will be actually launch the application, and that is here you can see. And just click here just remove this welcome page, and if you want to remove this also, just click here. And now let's see, want to add some extension, just go here extension and add some extension that is necessary. And let's see, you are learning web development, so just download this extension. And first one is, let's say, live server, and here you can see this is the live server. Just click here install, and now we got another option here. You can see live preview, just click here install, because let's say sometimes we don't need to actually go for the browser. You may actually directly go for the live preview, side by side. Here in the left side you will write the code, and in the right side you will actually see the output. And then we need HTML. Hit enter, and here you can see HTML snippet. Just go with it, click here snippet and just install it. After that you need code runner. Okay, just type here code runner, and here you can see you got the code runner here. Just click here install. And if you are a PHP developer, type PHP here, and you have to install some extension. These are actually necessary. So first of all, PHP IntelliDefense, just install it. Done guys. Now you can actually run anything, not only just PHP and web development related things. You may actually run here Java and everything. So to find the terminal, you have to click here in the three dot and then click here terminal and then new terminal. Here you can see we got all the terminal. Now let's see, you want to change the font size. So just click here settings, go for the settings and type here font. And if you find it here, you can see, so your default font may be 14 or something like this. Just change it from here. So you have another option, another way to do this. Just press Ctrl from your keyboard and then click plus sign from your keyboard. Okay, by pressing Ctrl and then plus sign will increase the size and minus will decrease the size. Here you can see. So guys, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.